this is a bit of semantics, but the reason Takaful is also interesting is because you have to have a direct separation of funds. So the participant fund, read that as all of you. So you put some money in, the operator takes some money to run the company for the expenses. All the rest of that money has to be kept completely separate from how the operator spends its money. Now, in an insurance company, that's all the same thing. So when Aviva or RSA or Direct Line Group say we've made some profit, they've made some profit thinking about you being the participants, your claims, the admin expenses, investment return, premiums, capital, profit, loans, etc. In a Takaful company, you have to keep things separate. And the most important thing you have to keep separate is actually the amount of money you keep aside for claims, because that's by far the biggest number on the balance sheet. So remember when I said before about a motor insurance policy that you guys all pay for now, how much profit does the company actually generate? It's very small. The reason it's very small is the cost of claims is very large. A really simple example, I don't know how much any of you pay for your motor insurance premium, but I assume it's less than £2,000. If someone bangs into the back of you, or you bang into the back of somebody else, and they suffer something called whiplash, which you can get just because someone knocks into you, that costs £2,500 to £3,500. And that's not including the damage to the car. So if someone just knocks into you, you can claim for whiplash. The interesting thing about whiplash, no doctor can diagnose it. So if you say you suffer from whiplash, you suffer from whiplash. Now, part of the reason motor insurance premiums in the UK have been rising so much is because of that phenomenon. Because people have just been making claims. I think there are genuinely, by the way, before I say that, I think there are genuinely people out there in the UK who've had motor accidents and have suffered pains in their necks, genuine whiplash claims. But I suspect a lot of the whiplash claims aren't genuine, or haven't been genuine in the past. Now, the reason I'm pointing that out is a very simple accident can happen, and you're already paying out £3,500 or £2,500. What impact does that have on your premium? So if I'm the insurance company and I'm trying to estimate how much money should I hold now of the premium that I've taken for you, just in case you have an accident or somebody has an accident with you and we have to pay out that amount of money, you probably think, well, I should keep all of the premium. I shouldn't book any of that as profit. That's why this number, the claims reserve, is very important. It's by far the biggest number on an insurance company's balance sheet. It's by far the biggest number on the Takaful entity's balance sheet.